Hello everyone and welcome to our Invisible Method Reviews Machine. My name is Raim and I will guide you through our platform, showing you the main functions and tools. To start in use, it's very simple. Just enter your mail and password and click on Login. The first screen you will see is our dashboard, where you will see what plan is yours, how many sites, pages, reviews, leads, and videos you have created. When clicking on Website, you will have the websites that you have already created. And remember, if you are a Diamond Plan user, you can create unlimited websites. To create a website, just click on New Site and enter the SS address and your business information. Done that, click on New Site, and now you can click on Edit. Now you can edit your settings, like inserting your own domain available only on the Diamond Plan. You can edit the appearance, inserting your logo, your base bar text, the title and subtitle of your page, and the cover image. And with a few clicks, you already have your website online. Just save, click here to open your site, and look, you have your website published. The logo, the background, the website title, subtitle, and your base bar text. It is also possible to insert a menu with your pages and information, like the privacy policy and the terms of use, which are automatically filled in based on the business information you filled during the creation of the website. You can also insert your social networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, configure SEO, and insert resources like scripts. Returning to our main menu, you have two very interesting tools. The first one is the image bank, where you can, with a few clicks, thousands of free images to use in your reviews. You can choose a category, right, what are you looking for, and search, and you have in seconds thousands of images. Also, you have the Rev Pix, a complete image editor where you can resize, crop, drawing, writing, place shapes, stickers, borders, corners, background, and much more with the image that you search on our image bank. And let's go to the main event, our reviews. You can enter in your site, click in reviews, and now you can create unlimited reviews with the Diamond Plan. Just click on create review and choose if you want to start an empty review from zero or import an existing one, and see and watch that. Importing, it's very simple. It's just search for what you want. After you found the review that you like, you can click on import, and now you can edit in your way. You can delete a text, you can select and change the font, you can select the sizing of line spacing, bold, strike through, select a text color, select a background color. You can put an unordered list, an ordered list, configure the paragraph, put a link in your text, put a picture in your review, put a video in your review from YouTube, Vimeo, Vine, Instagram, Dailymotion, or Youku. That done, just save editions and create your review. Now, you have several settings to make. How? Change the title, the access address, the appearance, inserting the author, the publication title, the assessment, placing the name of the product or service you are evaluating, the description, the title and subtitle of your review, and put a cover image. In addition, you have SEO settings and features like pop-ups, redirects, share buttons, capturing leads, thank you pages, scripts, and YouTube autoplay. A Diamond Plan tool that turns your video into a GIF to increase engagement with your visitor. Once the changes have been made, just click on View to see how your review was published. And here we go. This is your review with your title, subtitle, logo, background image, the publisher, the data, the assessment, and all the changes and features that you put in your review. And lastly, the icing on the cake, the creation of a video review, where on the diamond plan you can create up to 10 videos. With this tool, you can turn your text review into a narrated video. Always very easy and intuitive. You can edit the slides, changing the settings like display time, text to audio, the background color, put a background image, and changing the layout. Edited slides. Now you can generate the audio of your video review, choosing a voice of man or woman, and create audio. Now you can download your audio or listen.
In the world of health and wellness.
Now it's time to render your video. Few minutes later and he is ready. If you see that the percentage is not changing, I suggest you to refresh the page. Now you can watch your video and download it, as it will only be available for 6 hours on our server.
In the world of health and wellness.
And ready, you have a video review narrated, ready to be used on your pages. And lastly, you can insert a lead capture form in your review. And then you see the data you obtain with your leads and export it in CSV format. It's very easy and pretty cool. This is just a taste of what the review machine is capable of. You will make incredible reviews with her without having to appear or record your voice. Welcome to the Invisible Method, and this was our review machine. Until next time, see you later. Bye!